And I really wanted to talk about this one. It's called Renew Me. I personally really like it because I do have vitiligo. I don't know if you can see, but it's on my hands and a couple little splotchy little patches all over my bod. So this has been really good for just kind of building up that like skin elasticity, getting some good oils, and then preventing, you know, loss and discoloration and things like that. So if you're interested in supplements, I would check out Santeva. Great packaging, really cute. And they also have a Lengthen Me one, which is good for like your hair, your nails, which has like biotin, collagen, all that kind of stuff. And then if you need a detox, they have that. Or if you want to just feel really good for the summer, this one is called Slim Me. Yeah, so check them out. I also posted about their 24 karat mask. Let me grab it here. So this actually worked really well. I mean, look at the shine. And it is beautiful. It's like gold. And I put it on just one day before I was doing my makeup, and I actually noticed like a huge difference. I had like some little pimples or like heat bumps under here. And as you can see, they're gone. I got a glow. And I just love that it is gold. Like, it's so cute. So if you're looking for a very Instagrammable mud mask, it's 24 karat gold Dead Sea mud mask. I would check them out. Or if you are looking for supplements, you know, if you don't want to just go to your natural health food store or anything, you want something a little bit more targeted to specific areas, I would definitely recommend them. Like I said, I have just started the Renew Me because I like to target my skin, and you know, it says skin elasticity repair, hydration, dark spot treatment. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, be sure to check them out. They're a cool brand.